Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
When light turn on the party, you have to run, you're nervous, you start shake. Tina, like when light turn on, you have to come out the party. Go away. Tina, go away. Not until you can show on a photo. Look how my foot look good in my blood clot. Bed slippers in my house. Hold on. Hold on. I cock up my blood clot, foot on my blood clot, glass table. I cock up my foot on my glass. Look on my foot in my bed slippers. Look pretty in a blood clot. Tina is a girl. Emily, you show on the foot and stop arguing with a nasty blood clot. Show on the foot. I want you to show on the foot. Show your heel back, Emily. Show your heel back, Emily. Show your heel back, Emily. On the one manicure and pedicure, stop using the money and mind, man. Move on a dead blood clot. On a young and dead. And Tina, any pill your blood clot, so I take my entire if I take any blood clot pill, follow the footstep, and go take yours too. Move your dirty blood clot, and you can't tell me nothing for hurt me, and me own a friend. When you can't tell me nothing for blood clot hurt me, because me no know you. Me know you long time and show you from off of my floor. I know this just come bad girl will just come in at the Bronx. I want to kill off everybody because she's a blood sucker. So that's why I want she beat me in a blood clot for me come off and I want she beat me. I want she say, Kenneth, DM me with your address. I want she say, Kenneth, me I come for you. I ask you, I coming to you now. You tell every girl when you argue with them, say you come. Foot challenge. Foot challenge. On a show on a blood clot put in a knife for Pascal on a girl. On a move on a hermaphrodite girl boy blood clot when he's a girl boy. Move on a blood clot. I am a boy. I want to be a girl. On have a lot more work for do. Tina, you have a whole heap of work for blood clot. Do me not think your work are done till 2033. Your work for you not done till 2020. Everybody look refined and polish off. You still look dirty. And you say you're there 8 months. Move your blood clot. You're dirty, dirty, dirty and stink. Tina, move your blood clot. South people them eat in a blood clot. South people them eat out a nasty blood clot. Dirty Tina out. Tina, me not argue with you until you buy a buckle of this. 99.99% of bacteria and blood clot viruses. Tina, this you want to squeeze down your blood clot short. And you don't need blood clot one buckle. You need about 6 buckles for empty in your nasty blood clot. And your friend wants some of this to rub on her foot because she says she's girly. And she says she's a blood clot girl. And she says she's pretty. We never see you bring the man in on a party yet. Emily and the man sit beside of you. You say you're a hot girl and I never see you come in on a party with no thugs yet. You never bring the man in on a party when a girl wow yet. Move on a sodomite blood clot and go. Emily, move your sodomite no teeth blood clot and go. Your foot big no blood clot. Emily, you want a buckle like this to bathe in her and take up the bump them off and you go clean out in the bathroom. That's why so much blood clot and toilet bump and bathroom bump the pound. That's why too much toilet bump and bathroom bump the pound in a blood clot. Too much toilet bump and bathroom bump the pound in a blood clot. And if I have them something in on the surrounding on the sound a girl. And if I have them something in on the surrounding.